Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the animal kingdom. Today's topic is Phylum Chordata, covering from the introduction to Chordata until Class Cyclostomata. If you're preparing for NEET 2026 or Class 11 Biology, this is a must-watch. As always, all the detailed notes, practice questions with and without explanation are provided via our Linktree. Check the link in the description below. And don't forget to check out other 6 parts of this Animal Kingdom series. You can find them in the playlist link in the description and in the cards above. Now let's talk about Phylum Chordata. All chordates exhibit the following key features at some stage of their life cycle: a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gill slits, a postanal tail, and a closed circulatory system. They also exhibit bilateral symmetry, are triploblastic, coelomate, and possess an organ system level of organization. Now let's compare chordates with non-chordates. Chordates possess a notochord, while non-chordates do not. The central nervous system in chordates is dorsal, hollow, and single, whereas in non-chordates, it is ventral, solid, and double. Gill slits are present in chordates but absent in non-chordates. Chordates have a ventral heart, while non-chordates, if they have a heart, typically have a dorsal position. Finally, a postanal tail is a feature of chordates but not seen in non-chordates. Now moving to classification. Phylum Chordata is classified into 3 subphyla. Urochordata, also known as Tunicata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Urochordata and Cephalochordata together are known as Protochordates and are exclusively marine animals. Stay tuned for more detailed breakdowns of each subphylum and class under Vertebrata in upcoming slides. Let's now look at the 3 subphyla of Phylum Chordata. First, Urochordata, also called Tunicata. These are exclusively marine animals. Their notochord is present only in the tail region of the larval stage. The body is enclosed in a tough outer covering called a tunic or test. Examples include Ascidia, Salpa, and Doliolum. Next is Cephalochordata. In these organisms, the notochord extends from head to tail and remains throughout life. They are small, fish-like marine animals. A common example is Branchiostoma, also known as Amphioxus or lancelet. Finally, subphylum Vertebrata. In vertebrates, the notochord is present during the embryonic stage but gets replaced by a vertebral column in adults. They show several advanced features, including a ventral muscular heart with 2 to 4 chambers, kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendages such as fins or limbs. Remember, all vertebrates are chordates, but not all chordates are vertebrates. Let's understand the classification of vertebrates. Vertebrata is divided into 2 major groups: Agnatha, which are jawless vertebrates, and Gnathostomata, which are jawed vertebrates. Agnatha includes only one class, Cyclostomata. Gnathostomata is further divided into 2 superclasses, Pisces, which includes fishes, and Tetrapeda, which includes vertebrates with 4 limbs. Pisces is divided into 2 classes, Chondrichthyes, the cartilaginous fishes, and Osteichthyes, the bony fishes. Tetrapeda includes amphibia, reptilia, aves, and mammalia. Now let's look at Class Cyclostomata, which belongs to Agnatha. These animals are jawless and have a circular, sucking mouth. They are ectoparasites on fishes. Their bodies are elongated and bear 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. They do not have paired fins or scales. The skeleton consists of a cartilaginous cranium and vertebral column. They have a closed circulatory system. In terms of reproduction, they are marine animals but migrate to freshwater for spawning. After spawning, the adults die. The larvae then undergo metamorphosis and return to the ocean. Examples of Cyclostomata include Petromyzon, also known as lamprey, and Myxine, the hagfish. Let's quickly revise the phylum Chordata till the part we have completed today. So, chordates are defined by key features present at some stage in their life cycle, including a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and a postanal tail. The phylum Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Urochordata, also known as tunicates, have a notochord only in their larval tail. These are marine, sessile adults with examples like Asidia, Salpa, and Doliolum. Cephalochordata are characterized by a notochord that persists throughout life. These marine, fish-like organisms include Branchiostoma, also known as Amphioxus. In Vertebrata, the notochord is replaced by a vertebral column, and these animals possess a well-developed brain and cranium. Vertebrata is further divided into two groups: Agnatha, which are jawless animals like Cyclostomata, and Gnatostomata, which are jawed animals, further divided into Pisces and Tetrapeda. Let's quickly practice few questions to test your knowledge. Question 1. Notochord is present throughout life in. From NEET 2020. Option A, Urochordata. Option B, Cephalochordata. Option C, Vertebrata. Option D, Cyclostomata. Explanation. Cephalochordates, such as Branchiostoma, have a notochord that extends from head to tail and persists throughout life. In contrast, urochordates and vertebrates either restrict the notochord to certain stages or replace it entirely with a vertebral column. The correct answer is option B, that is, notochord is present throughout life in Cephalochordata. Question 2. Which animal migrates from the ocean to freshwater for spawning? From NEET 2020. Option A, salmon. Option B, Petromyzon. Option C, catla. Option D, rohu. Explanation. Petromyzon, commonly known as lamprey, is a marine ectoparasite that migrates to freshwater for breeding. After spawning, the adults die, and the larvae undergo metamorphosis before returning to the ocean. The correct answer is option B, that is, Petromyzon is the animal migrates from the ocean to freshwater for spawning. Question 3. Cyclostomes differ from fishes in having. From NEET 2015. Option A, operculum. Option B, cartilaginous skeleton. Option C, circular mouth without jaws. Option D, scales on the body. Explanation. Cyclostomes, including Myxine and Petromyzon, are jawless vertebrates with a circular sucking mouth adapted for ectoparasitic feeding. They lack ocula and scales but possess a cartilaginous skeleton, a feature also found in chondrichthyes. The correct answer is option C, that is, cyclostomes differ from fishes in having a circular mouth without jaws. Let's move to next question. Question 4. Which of the following is a jawless vertebrate? From NEET 2023. Option A, Scoliodon. Option B, Pristis. Option C, Myxine. Option D, Channa. Explanation. Myxine, also known as hagfish, is a jawless vertebrate and belongs to class Cyclostomata under Agnatha. In contrast, Scoliodon, the dogfish shark, and Pristis, the sawfish, are cartilaginous fishes belonging to chondrichthyes and possess jaws. Channa is a bony fish from osteichthyes and also has jaws. Therefore, among these, only Myxine fits the category of a jawless vertebrate. The correct answer is option C, that is, Myxine is a jawless vertebrate. Question 5. Which of the following subphyla of Chordata is exclusively marine and shows a notochord only in the larval stage? Option A, Cephalochordata. Option B, Urochordata. Option C, Vertebrata. Option D, Hemichordata. Explanation. Urochordates, such as Ascidia and Salpa, are exclusive animals and exhibit a notochord only in the tail region of the larval stage. Cephalochordates like Branchiostoma have a notochord that extends from head to tail and persists throughout life. In vertebrates, the notochord is present in the embryo but is replaced by the vertebral column in adults. Hemichordata, once considered a subphylum of Chordata, is now a separate phylum and does not possess a true notochord. The correct answer is option B, that is Urochordata is the subphyla of Chordata which is exclusively marine and shows a notochord only in the larval stage. Question 6. Which of the following is not a feature of Cyclostomata? Option A, cartilaginous skeleton. Option B, 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Option C, paired fins. Option D, closed circulatory system. Explanation. Cyclostomes exhibit several primitive features. They have a cartilaginous skeleton and a closed circulatory system. They breathe through 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. However, they lack paired fins, which distinguishes them from more advanced vertebrates and highlights their primitive jawless structure. The correct answer is option C, that is paired fins is not a feature of Cyclostoma. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology to reach out this content to other students too. For quick daily revision, check out our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series playlist, perfect for sharpening your concepts for daily quick revision. Stay consistent, stay inspired, and as always, keep learning with purpose. See you in the next video.